In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align text in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the alignment controls and how to make your titles, captions, and lower thirds look neat and professional. First, open CapCut. You can use an existing project or start a fresh one. Either way works. If you're starting new, go ahead and load a clip or a background so you can preview your text in context. Seeing text against your actual footage helps you judge spacing, contrast, and placement more accurately. Next, add text. Look for the text option in your toolbar and choose to add a standard text layer. A text box will appear on your canvas and on the timeline. You can drag it where you want. Resize the box by pulling the corners, and keep the layer selected so the text controls show up in the editing panel. Don't worry about style just yet. We're focusing on alignment. Now, type any sentence. Use a few words or a short phrase that reflects what you plan to use in your video. If you want to see the difference alignment makes, try writing a second line so you have 2 lines of text. Multi-line text makes alignment changes more visible. If your text is tiny, increase the font size so you can clearly see what happens when you align it. Finally, look for the Align button. With the text layer still selected, check the text formatting panel. The alignment controls look like stacked horizontal lines and typically include left, center, and right align. Click through these options to see how your text shifts inside the text box. Left align anchors your lines to the left edge of the box. Center align keeps them perfectly centered, and right align pins them to the right edge. A quick tip: if changing alignment doesn't seem to do anything, your text box may be too snug. Widen the text box and try again so the alignment has room to reflow. Also remember that alignment happens inside the text box, while the box itself can be positioned anywhere on the canvas. For example, center-aligned text can still sit on the left side of your frame if you place the box there. Use the on-canvas guides and snapping to center the box precisely. To polish the look, consider adjusting line spacing and letter spacing after aligning. Small tweaks often make multi-line titles cleaner and easier to read. And if your text blends into the background, add a subtle shadow or stroke so the alignment you chose remains crisp and legible. That's it. Open CapCut, add text, type your sentence, and use the Align button to set left, center, or right. With these basics, your text will instantly look more intentional and balanced.